Hello, let's see how to add the picture in the Excel. For that, if you don't have the Excel, so you have to download it. For that, Play Store or Apple Store, you have to go there and download it. Excel, download and open. Otherwise, you can use the Excel which I shared in the group. Open it. Once you open the Excel, it's looking like this. You can add the more rows according to your work. Here there is a 3 rows only, so I just want to show you how to add the picture in the Excel. For that, there is 3 columns for the pictures, before, during, after, either during. That's according to your work. To add the pictures, go to insert, go to home and then insert, and the pictures. From the pictures, it will take you to the gallery. Here you can choose. At a time you can choose many, either only one. It's depend on your mobile. And then insert, adjust the pictures according to the column. It's easy actually. Adjust it according to the column. Again, there is a green color arrow mark. From there you can go to home and then insert and then pictures and then select it. Upload it. Adjust it according to the cell size. I wanted to tell you something. Don't change the height, width. Whatever the Excel we provided, the size should be like that only. Don't change the height and width. That's standard size client provided us. According to the cell, you can adjust it. When you click the pictures, you have to take the clear pictures. Like this you have to attach, insert according to the cell size, and you have to you must send the complete Excel. Serial number, make sure the serial numbers are correct. You can select, and then there is a bar there, all the commands you can see, the paste option, copy option, cut option, comment, clear, fill, edit. So here I am going to fill, then here I am going to edit. Edit, you can edit it 1, 2, 3 like that, and then the date format must be like this only. First date, sorry, first month, and then date and then year. So this is the format, 17th November 2024. And copy, for the copy, double click, and then there is a white paper mark, copy, and then choose. I chose these two cells and then paste option, this orange color, paste, and then here description of work, that is according to your work, the cleaning area you have to describe, you have to write it. For example, if you clean the wall cleaning, floor cleaning, wash basin cleaning, like that you have to describe the area of cleaning. So here I mention it's road sweeping, edit road sweeping. So mechanical road sweeping, like that you have to describe. If you want to add the border, click the arrow mark and the border, and you can choose the border. And then here in the building you have to mention the location. For example, this Excel, it's related to external, so I mention external, and the location also the area of cleaning location. Okay, for example, building 32, building 16. In the building 16 they are cleaning like opera theater, drama theater, like that you can mention here in the location, area of cleaning location. So the last column must be task completed, the last column is same. So Excel completed. Now you can save your Excel. There is a 3 dot, go there and then save as this device, and the document download storage you can choose whatever you want in the document. Here when you save the Excel, there is a many option like weekly cleaning, bi-weekly cleaning, monthly cleaning, and the half yearly, quarterly, like that etc. For example, if it is a weekly cleaning, this is external, so you can save it as external weekly cleaning, otherwise weekly task, external weekly task, and save it. And then you can share to the admin, share as attachment, workbook, WhatsApp, admin. This is how you have to make the Excel. Thank you.